In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a seated dumbbell press, otherwise known as a dumbbell shoulder press, to 90 degrees. So if you've been told, for example, by a physio or a trainer that you should be only coming to 90 degrees, I'll be showing you how to do that variation of the shoulder press or dumbbell press. Now, firstly, you're going to pick up your weights and you're going to have the bench set up to the maximum setting or one below, dependent on your bench. So what I mean by that is I've got this bench as high as it can go. For some people, they prefer one setting below that. If you do one setting below, it's going to work a little bit more of the chest and a little bit less of the shoulders. Pick which one that you prefer, what one you feel most comfortable with. Once you've got those feet at hip width apart, you're going to bring your dumbbells into a position where they're on your knees. Now, what we've got here is two different styles of how to get the dumbbells up. So you'll see people with really heavy weights where they can't hammer curl the weight up. You'll see them give themselves a little bit of momentum by using their knee and kicking the weight up and then bringing their elbows back. Now, of course, if you're doing more of a conditioning style circuit where you're doing lighter weights and lots of repetitions, you can get away with just hammer curling the weight up and bringing the elbows back. Now, what it means when someone says do a shoulder press to 90 degrees is you want a right angle in your elbows. So you don't want to be coming down to this position. You're keeping a higher position with the elbows from here, pressing up. Notice how I don't clang the weights together at the top of the motion, and then coming back down until you've got that 90-degree angle in the elbow. So for those of you with shoulder mobility issues, or alternatively, you've got issues with regards maybe the rotator cuff, you're rehabbing from an injury, that would be maybe a style that's a little bit kinder on the shoulders. Now, there's a lot of different opinions and a lot of different debates with regards where and how far we should come down when we're doing a shoulder press. Now, if you want to come down to 90 degrees, you're still going to get the benefits. If you want to come down a little bit lower, of course, because there's more range of motion, there's a little bit more risk, but also potentially more activation and reward. So let's go through that again. You can either do the knee up style or hammer curl. You're going to bring the elbows back, palms are facing away from me. And in this position, you're going to keep that 90 degree at the elbows, straight up and back down. Once you've done your repetitions, elbows in, and then you're going to come down. So you'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. That's how to do a shoulder press or a dumbbell press to 90 degrees.